have a question. If your brand were a person, who would it be? The life of the party? Or maybe the daring adventurer always ready for the next challenge? It's all about shaping your brand's personality to make it more relatable and memorable for your audience. Grab your go-to notebook or just kick back with your favorite snack because today we're talking all about brand personalities. Welcome to Talk Like a Brand, the podcast where we keep it real, fun, and all about building brands that move differently. Whether you're launching your dream biz, leveling up your strategy, or just here for the golden nuggets, you've come to the right place. I'm Peachy Williams, your go-to guide for turning big ideas into unforgettable brands. So grab your headphones, get comfy, and let's get into it. Now, what exactly is a brand personality? Just like people, brands have personalities too. It's a mix of human traits that define your brand's vibe and voice. Think of it as your brand's personal flavor, whether it's spicy and bold or calm and soothing. You're probably wondering why this matters. Well, a strong brand personality works wonders. It makes your brand click with your audience. And when people feel connected to your brand, they're more likely to remember it, trust it, and engage with it. Think about it. We tend to stick around people who inspire or intrigue us, right? Well, the same goes for brands. Here are a few big brand personality types. 1. The innovator. Always pushing boundaries, breaking the mold. I want you to think Apple or Tesla. These brands are all about fresh ideas and leading the charge, right? Then number 2, there's the nurturer. Warm and caring like a cozy hug from a friend. These brands, I want you to think Dove or maybe Johnson & Johnson because they are all about trust, support, and making you feel safe. Then we have number 3, the explorer. They're adventurous, bold, and always ready to take on the world. These brands are like the North Face or Red Bull, and they scream, "Let's go on an adventure." Then we have number 4, the sophisticate. These brands are luxurious, elegant, and dripping in refinement. Chanel and Rolex are all about the finer things in life. They're premium, exclusive, and classy. And then we have number 5, the rebel. These brands make their own rules and break a few along the way. So think Harley Davidson and Virgin because they're wild, edgy, and unapologetically themselves. Now I want you to flip the script to your brand. If your brand were a person, what adjectives would describe it? Bold and playful? Or maybe more professional and polished? Grab a pen or let your imagination flow because these traits are the first steps to building your own brand's personality. Because at the end of the day, your brand's personality is the foundation of how people see and feel about your brand. It's the essence of your brand's identity, guiding everything from your words to your designs. Are you ready to ignite your brand and watch it shine? Join Prism, the exclusive membership that gives you the tools to create, brand, and grow like a pro. Whether you're just starting or leveling up, Prism is packed with everything you need to take your brand to the very next level. Join now at bit.ly/Prism now. Your brand's next big move starts here. Now that you've nailed down your brand's personality, let's talk about why it matters. A strong, well-defined brand personality doesn't just make you stand out, it shapes how people see and feel about you. People love brands they can feel something for. Take Coca-Cola, for example. Their brand personality is all about spreading happiness and togetherness. Everything from their cheerful red color to the Share a Coke campaign is designed to make you smile, right? So when people vibe with your brand's personality, they're more likely to become lifelong fans. And that, my friends, is brand loyalty. Take Patagonia with its eco-conscious, adventure-driven brand personality, because this is a perfect example. Their customers aren't just buying jackets, they're buying into the mission of environmental care and outdoor exploration. It's an experience that will always be remembered. A distinct personality makes you unforgettable. In crowded industries, it's not just what you do, but how you do it that sets you apart. Let's look at MailChimp. They took a pretty dry task like email marketing and made it fun with their playful, quirky brand vibe, right? Who knew sending emails could be this cool? I want you to take away the fact that your brand personality shapes how your audience feels about you and helps you rise above the noise. I want you to lean into it because it's your secret sauce. All right, now you've got your brand personality down, and let's make sure it clicks with your audience. That begins with knowing your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Your brand's personality should mirror the values, interests, and lifestyle of the people you're trying to reach. If your audience is all about sophistication and style, a playful, offbeat personality might not hit the mark. Lululemon, they nail this. Their brand personality is all about health, mindfulness, and living a balanced lifestyle. In their audience, these are health conscious, active, and totally aligned with those same values people. Everything about this brand reflects this. Their product design, the messaging, and even their community events. Because consistency is key. Once you've got your brand personality figured out, you need to keep it consistent everywhere. From your social media posts to your customer service, every touch point should feel like it's speaking the same language. Hey, brand builders, want to take your brand to the next level? Join my exclusive mailing list at bit.ly/collarmail and get the latest tips, tricks, and resources to create, brand, and grow your way to success. It's quick, it's free, and packed with everything you need to make your brand shine. Don't wait, hit that link and join the brand fam today. Here are a few tips for alignment. 1. Messaging. Make sure your tone of voice stays true to your brand's personality. If you're fun and playful, let that shine in your copy. If you're sleek and serious, then keep it polished. 2. Your visuals. The colors, fonts, and imagery should match your personality. Bright and bold for fun brands, and sleek and muted for luxury, right? And number 3, customer experience. From how you talk to your customers to the little details in your packaging, make sure it all reflects your personality. A nurturing brand might offer personalized notes, while a brand who wants to rebel might go for something a little more edgy or unconventional. When your brand's personality is aligned with your audience and consistent across all touch points, that's when the magic happens. It builds trust, creates connections, and makes your brand unforgettable. Remember, your brand's personality is at the core of everything. It's not just about what you do, but how you make people feel. Whether your brand is a rule breaker or a warm nurturer, own it and let it shine. So if this episode got you thinking, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with fellow brand builders on their journey. And I'd love to hear about your brand personality. So hit me up on social media and let's chat. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, keep branding, and let's grow.